Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at the mysterious black cat with glow-in-the-dark eyes from Michael's Make Market that I bought in August 2025. This is a fun kit for Halloween, and the kit comes with a fun purple diamond painting pen and a magnetic frame so you don't have to hunt for something to hang it with. The pattern. Let's look at the black cat from Make Market. When I bought my kit in August of 2025, I paid regular price $14.99. As of October 2025, this kit is on sale for $7.49. This snack size kit is 8 by 10 or 20 centimeters by 25. This pattern is a full round kit with 6,480 round gems pre-sorted by shade. There are 13 colors. Colors 1 to 7 have DMC equivalents listed. Colors 8 to 13 are glow-in-the-dark diamonds with no DMC colors listed. The toolkit comes with a fun purple pen, an orange diamond tray, wax, and bags. Strange thing that they pack 10 bags in a kit with 13 colors of diamonds. The kit also comes with a magnetic frame so you can hang the picture as soon as you're done. I finished this kit in about 9.5 hours in September of 2025. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. This confetti-filled black cat was fun to do. I picked it up because it was small, and it came with a fun diamond painting pen and a frame. And, as you know, I am a sucker for a cat picture. And I wanted to see if those eyes really did glow in the dark. They do glow in the dark. I tested it in a closet and took pictures. My iPhone wanted me to stay still longer than usual, and I tried to stay still like my iPhone wanted. The pictures were all a little blurry. And there are leftover glow-in-the-dark diamonds to keep for future projects. When I looked at the kit in Michael's, I was kind of dreading all that black background. The background isn't all 310 black. There are 7 shades of gray and black, which gives the diamond painting depth. With all those shades, it's a lot more fun than just going 310, 310, 310, forever and ever. This is a quick, fun project that comes with everything you need to hang it up right away. And I'll be going back to Michael's to look for more projects that come with their frames. This spooky cat with glow-in-the-dark eyes is a winner. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe, and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.